Hi guys, welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. May God bless you all. DSS have come out to tell Nigerians why Nnamdi Kanu was absent in court yesterday. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, who is being prosecuted on charges of terrorism, failed to show up at a federal high court in Abuja on Monday. When the case was called, Mohammed Abubakar, the prosecution counsel from the office of the Attorney General, said Kanu refused to appear before the court. He has declined to come to court, he said. Awo, number 1, counsel to the Department of State Security, DSS, said Kanu woke up and refused to come to court. The defendant was intimidated about today's court session, Awo said. I called the office to find out why, and they said he woke up this morning and objected that he was not going to court. He was not going to come to court. Though Mike Zekome, Kanu's counsel, said the last time he spoke with his client, he expressed optimism to be present in court. We are therefore surprised that the same person has refused to come to court, he said. Binta Inyako, presiding judge, said the presence of the accused person was not necessary for the day's proceedings since the matter was adjourned for parties in the suit to give a report on the status of the case. After the parties briefed the court on the verdict of the Court of Appeal and pending appeals at the Appeals Court, the matter was adjourned indefinitely pending the determination of the appeals. On April 8, the trial judge struck out 8 of the 15 counts in the charge. The Court of Appeal later quashed the remaining 7 counts on October 13, delivering judgment in the appeal. A 3-member panel of the appellate court, led by Anutu Sanke, held that the federal government flaunted the Terrorism Act in violation of international conventions and treaties, hence breaching the rights of the respondents. The court further held that having illegally and forcefully renditioned the appellant, the trial court is stripped of jurisdiction to continue to try Kanu. However, the federal government is yet to release the IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Instead, it filed an appeal before the Supreme Court to challenge the appeal court judgment. It also filed an application seeking to stay the execution of the appellate court judgment. Ruling on the application, the Court of Appeal granted the government's request. Kanu has also filed an appeal challenging his incarceration as well as another cross appeal at the Supreme Court. Well, he knows that there is a trap set for him. His unappearance saves his life, not only his, but life of nation. I pray for you every day and night. Surely, Chukwokeke Abiyama will make us victorious. Biafra is our nation. Please, what is the meaning of Nigeria? Can someone answer? What is the meaning of Nigeria? Can someone answer the question? This is a false allegation against Onyendo. Nnamdi Kanu can never do that. Instead, it was the stupid DSS that refused to bring him to court just to spoil his name. Kanu will be released. Biafra will be announced on earth. Trump is coming back as US president. God is not done with him yet. Mind you, God can use anybody to achieve what he wants to, and how he wants it is not the problem. This implies that he is guilty of all the allegations against him, since he refused to appear before the court. Let him die in DSS custody, foolish terrorist, and useless. Okay, these are reactions by Nigerians. But if I may ask, why would Mazi Nnamdi Kanu even appear in court? To me, because Nigerian government started all these things. Appeal courts have discharged this man. You are still filing another case. This is the same count charge they are now filing against him. It's the same count charges that has been struck out by the court who discharged and acquitted him. Somebody that has been released by appeal court, you are still asking him to come to the court to come and answer a count that has already been, quashed out by appeal court. The matter gets as it be. You understand? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refusing to come to the courts. To me, I feel that he did the best thing. Can you go and hold him? No. Because the Nigerian government started all these things. They disobeyed the court order when they were asked to release IPOB leader till today. He is still in the DSS custody. He does not supposed to be there because courts have already released him. So I don't even know how Nigerian government will now say, okay, we are going to hold you responsible for not appearing in court, for disobeying orders, for not appearing in court. See, now these things now they talk. You when be say you be heard, you do disobey court orders. Then what do you expect other people to do? And when people do the same thing, tell me how you will now challenge them why you did that. You see, what they are doing right now is going to go a very long way. And maybe they don't know. It's going to go a very long way. They have started to plant a kind of crops that at the end of the day, they themselves might even find it difficult to harvest. That is it. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you for always stopping by.